How to add and use a chatbot for your Wix website. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to get started using a chatbot for your Wix website. So let's actually get started and talk about how to actually add it to your website. So basically you will need to log in and go to your Wix dashboard basically, and then we will go to our website. Basically we will just need to go ahead and edit our website. Just exactly how we would want to edit some elements within our website. So we just go ahead, click on edit website here, and make sure we go to the Wix editor. We just wait for it to load. It is going to be very easy and simple to add it. It's not going to be complicated at all. And it's going to help us a lot. It's just going to help us, have our chatbot up and running in our website easily without, having to code stuff. And yeah, this is the website that I use for these tutorials and stuff. So don't mind how it looks like. Regardless, what we would want to do after we are here, you have your editor here, you can edit whatever you want. So basically we have add elements, we have add sections and all of those things, but we are not really going to be doing any of that right now. What we will need to navigate to is actually add apps. So we'll need to just find add apps and just click on it. And then here it's going to just basically show us the Wix app market. And we basically just need to go ahead to the search box and type in chatbot. We just hit enter and it should give us multiple results here. Now there are going to be a lot of different chatbots that you can use. You can see there's plenty that we can actually use. Now I'm going to be looking for a specific one. Let me just find it and get back to you. Okay, so the one that I will be using is actually the one from Wix itself, which is called Wix Chat. So just look up Wix Chat and you should find it to be this one right here. It is completely for free. It is free to install at least, and you can actually go ahead and start using it right now. So just look up Wix Chat, click on this, the first one that you should see, and you can just click add to site. It shouldn't take too long, and it actually should do all the work for you, except you would need to add some stuff to it. So you can see already we have it up and running over here. Now it did take the general theme kind of look, but you can customize it accordingly to your liking, and I will show you how right now. So we've got it here, so we can actually go ahead and preview real quick without doing any changes at least. And you can see right away it is actually going to be available. Now here is going to be how your customers are going to basically contact you, but you would need to set up a few things before we even do that. So this is how it's going to look like generally. So let's actually go back to editor. So basically now you have actually added your chatbot. Now the next steps are going to be adjusting the elements within it and also adjusting the settings that it includes. So basically we just click on it and it's going to give us two options, open inbox and settings. We need to just worry about settings. So we just go ahead and click on settings. And now it's going to give us multiple options to work with. So here we've got the main, we've got the display. It's just going to basically show you how it's going to look like, and you can obviously adjust how it looks like. Design is going to be the more detailed elements about the background colors and stuff, which we will give to. We've got text, how you want your text to be. Chat form, so if you want to manage chat forms here, you can also do so. Notifications, automations, and then channels if you want to add, for example, WhatsApp, as well as Messenger and other channels. So you can just go to manage channels. So our main focus when it comes to these settings would be the main settings here. So we just click on the main settings and manage chat. This is going to just show us all the necessary settings that we need to set up. Those are going to be the general information about the whole chat thing. For example, the first thing that you can see here is that you can actually enable chat hours. This way, you can just make sure the customers are going to only be chatting around specific days and hours. If you have a tight schedule and you know exactly when you're going to be basically free, you can just set this up. I'll just keep it off so that you can, just the customers can actually chat at any time. I suggest that you keep it off unless you exactly know what you're doing and you just want to reply directly. Now, pre-chat form, you can choose the form fields. So this way, even if you're not online and you're not going to be basically responsive right away, you can just set this up so you can, actually gather their email. This way you can actually contact them later on, even if they basically left the website. Now you can set offline form and set things up as in when the people or customers are going to be seeing this form. For the offline is set up as once they open the chat, and it's mandatory to actually fill in the form. And you can add or edit the intro message to send us a message. First, leave your contact info and so on, and also success message. You can edit those to your liking. Now for the online form, again, same thing. It's just going to be set up differently by default. It's after they send the message for the online form, and also you can edit the intro and success message. So you've got also the sender identity, which is something that you should actually set up. This way people actually can trust you and know that you're, the actual person talking to them. So set up your business identity. Just make sure that you actually have a business email. This way it's actually going to look professional and people will basically trust you easily and know that they're actually talking to a specialist this way. Also, you can add members chat, so you can actually just enable this. I believe you would need to have a community that members can join. And finally, you can just go to channels here and add basically the channels that you want to add. I really suggest that you add your WhatsApp and Messenger because a lot of people just prefer to use those instead of, just using the website. So just set those up very easily. Just follow the steps after clicking on get started, and basically you'll be able to set things up. So after you finish up your general settings for the chat, you can just exit out of here. And we can just go to display. This is basically going to show you where you want to display your chat here. So whether it's going to be bottom right or bottom left, completely up to you. Also how you want it to show bubble notification or automatically open chat. I suggest that you have bubble notification, otherwise it's just going to be too annoying. And then lastly here is where you want to actually show the chat box, whether it's going to be in all pages or specific pages, and then you would actually want to choose specific pages. But I'll just keep it as all pages. And then we can just go to design, and here you can just take the time to actually go ahead and set up your logo here. So just update logo and add your own logo if you want to. It's taking its time to load. Anyways, and you can just go ahead and actually customize the colors and stuff. You can see the entire thing for minimized chat, so we can actually change the background to be orange. And same goes for text and icon and so on. And you can go ahead and change the layout. I prefer this one actually. I think it's much better and it doesn't really, cover a lot of stuff, and we really don't want it to cover too much. And you can also change the icon if you want. Let's go back to settings, and then basically, after we have finished our general settings, I think pretty much we are done. You can also change the text, and if we just go back to design, we can actually see background and messages. Here again, we can actually change the buttons. Let's actually change everything to orange. This way, it just makes things a lot easier for us. Just play around with the colors, and you're pretty much done and set up for your chat box for your Wix website. So basically this is how to add it and set it up. It's very easy and simple. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.